They denied I had hail damage at first. And now, a year later, they're telling me that my roof is shot. He came out.
The York County man says he continues to go back and forth with his homeowner's insurance company over hail damage on his roof. Originally, his insurance company claimed there was barely any hail damage. Now, he gets a letter in the mail saying he needs to replace the roof and pay for it himself. Fox 43's Jackie DeTore talked to the man who says the whole situation is a mess.
Joe Nolte has been going back and forth with Erie Insurance Group for nearly a year. He recently got a letter in the mail stating if he doesn't replace his roof by May 30th, his coverage could be dropped. Fox 43 finds out what that man plans to do now and what your options may be in a similar situation. Joseph Nolte has had the same roof on his home in Manchester Township, York County, for the past 19 years.
If there was a problem with it, it would have never passed zoning or inspections by codes officers, and they never would have been able to sell me the home in the first place.
He recently got this letter in the mail from his homeowner's insurance company, Erie Insurance Group. It reads, quote, "Present roof on dwelling improperly installed and needs completely replaced." The letter goes on to state that Erie is asking for the roof repairs to be done by May 30th, so Nolte's coverage can continue.
It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Nolte has been going back and forth with his insurance company for about a year. Last May, he filed a hail damage claim for his roof.
I had hail damage. I was told by 2 roofing contractors that I had hail damage.
In July, an Erie adjuster found only soft metal damage on the roof, no physical damage to the shingles. In the report, the adjuster also found some wear and tear on the roof, though Nolte says nothing in the report stated anything about the roof being improperly installed. At that point, Nolte hired an attorney and filed a lawsuit. Then a couple of weeks ago, Erie sent another person to re-inspect the roof because Nolte was disputing the claim, saying he was told by other contractors that he needed a new roof. After that re-inspection, he got the letter.
You want to put your faith in the company, after 38 years, and now, they deny me and they tell me this, and then I get a letter like that, which is just, they're just adding more salt to the wound.
Nolte says he doesn't have the $12,000 it would take to replace the roof. His lawyer says he has never seen a customer receive a letter like this from their homeowner's insurance company.
They've been insuring the house since day one, so you'd figure if it was so bad and installed incorrectly, they never would have insured it for 19 years.
Fox 43 Finds Out reached out to Erie about Nolte's issue. We wanted to know if the insurance company inspects a roof when a person insures a new home. We were told, quote, "An agent does visit to generally observe the condition of the home prior to finalizing the policy. The agent does not inspect the roof. Erie only inspects the roof if it is relevant to a claim." When we asked about Nolte's case specifically and why back in July when an adjuster went on the roof they didn't find any issues, Erie told us that they could not speak about this case specifically because of privacy laws. Nolte just wants this whole thing behind him now.
I hope that this will be resolved. Again, it's just about doing the right thing, and I hope that they wake up and do the right thing.
At least one other person in Nolte's neighborhood received a similar letter. Nolte's lawyer now has filed 3 lawsuits against Erie, all related to insurance bad faith. Now, the Pennsylvania Insurance Department says it has received 14 complaints about Erie Insurance from homeowners dealing with hail damage in 2018. It did not find any violations by the insurance company, though the insurance department can't decide whether or not a specific claim should be paid or if the claim payment was sufficient. Now, if you have a story you want me to look into, Fox 43 wants to find out. Let me know. Send me a message on Facebook or shoot me an email at fox43findsout@fox43.com.